Here is my dates and ginger, and I'm going to mash it or blend it after soaking my date for like 4 hours, and I'm going to add it to my already washed zobo leaves. Welcome back to my channel. Now this zobo drink will make your day. After adding in my dates and my blended ginger, you are going to just go on to adding other ingredients. I did beat my ginger or my dates because I really want it to seep into the zobo. I really want to get all the flavors and the nutrients from these two natural ingredients as much as I can. I'm adding in my chopped pineapples. Some people use the pineapple peels while boiling, but because we will buy these pineapples in Nigeria, it's not so neat. I decided to use my real pineapple, and I'm going to boil it alongside with this wonderful spice called Negro pepper. Now this spice is packed with lots of antioxidants, and it's something that you must add to your zobo drink to get all the nutrients you can get from this drink. Now after allowing it to simmer for like 20 minutes, I'll allow it to cool down a bit, and I'm going to strain. I will strain and allow it to cool down, and we're going to go on to adding other spices. Now I added in my dates because I really want to minimize the amount of sugar I'm going to be adding into my zobo, because natural zobo drink is a bit sour, strongly sour, I can assure you, and I don't want to add in artificial flavoring or any kind of artificial flavoring. So I added in dates to add its own natural sugar taste into the zobo, and I want it to add in much sugar. Now my zobo drink has been strained, and I'm going to go on to add in my chopped cucumber and carrots, and alongside with more sliced cucumber. Now this is to add in more nutrients to the zobo, because I'm going to keep it like this into the fridge and allow all this fruits and vegetables sip into the zobo further while I scoop it and take it whenever time I want, with any drink or with any snacks of my choice. After adding in my pineapples, the pineapples I used earlier, the remaining one, I kept it in the fridge after being chopped, and I added in my sugar, and I'm going to stir and just keep it in the fridge to cool a bit, and I'm going to take it with any yummy snacks I have available. Now this zobo drink is something that you must try, and if you like this video, I want you to thumbs up this video and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye. Good to have you here.